everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Marie here. Today we have a fun new unboxing for you. This is called the Loungefly Disney The Princess and the Frog Puzzle Glitter Assorted Blind Box. I know, that's a mouthful. They are box lunch exclusives, normally $10.90. I saw these on Facebook, thought they were extremely glittery, and it was box lunch redemption time, so we went in person. We grabbed the last that they had in store for us, so hopefully we can get a full set today. Who knows? Who knows? So sorry about the voiceover because, yeah, we had some problems on this filming day. So hopefully just enjoy the pack, and thanks for being here. These are very glittery. Hooray! We actually did finish the set for once. I am very surprised because we haven't had the greatest amount of luck finishing sets lately, but the pin gods were good this time, so thank you, pin gods. We appreciate it. This set is very beautiful, really good quality. All the characters actually look good for once, and I think this would be a perfect addition for your Princess and the Frog collection. It's a big anniversary year for Princess and the Frog, so I'm sure there's going to be a ton of pins and merch to come out for the anniversary. Very excited. I do like this movie a lot. It's probably one of my favorite princess movies. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, please let us know your thoughts, comments, blah 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 down below. And are you collecting this set? Do you want to collect the set? Please let us know. We hope you guys consider subscribing, commenting, following, doing all the fun stuff. Make sure to go follow us over at Disney Crazy Family on Instagram. I will be posting close-ups of this set. It's very gorgeous. And we hope you guys have a pintastic day today. Let us know your thoughts and all the good stuff down below. And we'll see you next time, Pin Pals.